we made it to O'Sheehan's, and Stephanie's already into the menu. She is so hungry, but hey, here we go. Let me race through this menu. Looks like we start off with some cocktails on tap, other drinks that we have available, some other ones, and then the reason we are here, we got wings. Here's the food. We got appetizers, soup, salad, sandwiches, and hot off the grill. Got some burgers in there. What's that? Fish and chips. Wow. Now, Brett, you are rocking your appetizers. Oh, it's so good. I did get a margarita, and the margaritas here are excellent. They have a lot of like orange taste to them, almost tequila sunrise-esque.
It's a good ranch.
The ranch you like. Looks good. So I just tried this wing with the hot sauce here. That's really good. It's like tangy. It's very liquidy. It's not saucy at all. And the nachos are really good. I tried those too. Everything is really good. Let's see what we got here. Oh,
it's a big boy.
This is going to be messy. All right, what we got? We got jalapenos. We got some kind of relish. And then lettuce, tomato on the bottom.
Hot.
There's bacon in there. You definitely can taste that. A little barbecue sauce. So smoky. Got the heat from jalapeno. These red onions are super good. Man, that's well-made burger. Very, 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 very good. Okay, now we are back at Mixx Bar. It is now how much later?
7:17.
7:17. So it is a bit later.
We did not eat any dinner.
No, we haven't yet. So after we left lunch, we went to the we went to the room.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we went to the room. Went to the room, did some editing on some videos, and then
like a 5-minute nap.
right, and then we went to the vlogger meet and greet.
Yeah, the
man, my brain is broken.
It's tired.
The guy was staring at me so hard
I know.
I couldn't think. Yeah, that's one of the great benefits of vlogging, guys. Like if this were a 360 camera, I could have just zoomed in. This guy was staring so hard. I mean, I get it because this is a giant camera and it attracts attention. So yeah, we went to the vlogger meet and greet, got a bunch of pictures, and sat down and talked with Tony, Don, their DJ,
and Don,
and then Josh, and yeah, that was a good time. Met some other
another couple.
yeah, some more fans of cruise vloggers and stuff. So it's always good to talk to everyone. Have a good time. If you guys see us out there on a cruise ship, definitely come talk to us. Always fun to meet new people from different areas of the country or world or whatever. So now we're at our favorite bar, Mixx Bar. Seems like we've been here quite a few times.
We go here probably every day.
Yeah, come talk to our favorite bartender, and we're gonna sit here and just chill for a minute. Probably not gonna be a late night. Not that it ever is.
No,
but we got a Paradise Beach tomorrow. We want to race down there and try to get a good seat, hopefully around the pool. That's the dream, but there's not many, so I don't know how likely that is. But we're going to try our best to do it. So, all right, we're going to chill here for a while. All right, we are up here in the buffet.
We got some yummies.
Got some yummies. We just got done speaking with a long-time subscriber, like back long time. Back when we weren't even trying to do YouTube. Yeah.
So thanks for coming and seeing us, Obey.
Yeah.
We really enjoyed our
Yeah.
conversation.
And if anybody ever sees us on a ship, please approach us. We definitely want to speak to everybody. We love meeting new people. Okay, now
I'll eat my cards.
check out this plate.
And it's 9 o'clock, so I'm
Yeah, it's bedtime. 9 o'clock. As if it were extremely late. This is a plate for...
toddlers.
It is. And here's my plate. It doesn't make any sense at all. So I got rice, turkey, salami of some kind, and a couple cheeses. Parmesan and
Guys,
blue.
I'm really hungry.
Anyway.
Weirdo.
Yeah, we're going to eat our dinner. All right, we got dessert we're going to share today. So we just grabbed 3.
What do we got? Lemon cheese?
Nope, that's ricotta cheesecake.
Ricotta?
Yeah, this is, I don't know, I just grabbed them. Yeah, it was basically, no, it was a Italian cake or something. And then a chocolate, yeah.
Moussey cake?
Yeah, moussey cake.
Yeah.
Chocolate moussey.
Let me try it.
Yeah,
Oh, it's got raspberry in it.
it does. I see it like, yeah. So you like that one.
That was raspberry chocolate.
Now, Stephanie was saying that she's really enjoyed the buffet here on this cruise line.
Yeah, I think they got good food on the buffet.
Yeah, everything I had today was excellent.
It's been fresh. And
Yeah, I think really the first day is the only one that really fell short for us. Yeah. Oh, how's that?
I've never liked dessert food. Okay, let's try it. Ricotta?
Ricotta cheesecake. I remember that one.
It's got that gritty ricotta.
There. So, okay.
I like
Texture,
that.
ricotta texture. Okay. So, out of these 3, who's the winner? Chocolate?
Yeah. That one's good.
Yeah. So, that's worthy of like even like a main dining room dessert? Okay. Okay. All right. We are back in the room. That was a good buffet dinner. We're going to call it early tonight because by the time I get all these videos uploaded and I got to pack the bag, we got a fun day tomorrow. So
I did laundry service.
you did.
And it was
$29.99
$29.99 to fill a laundry bag up. So I did.
We should have vlogged the size of the bag because...
Yeah, I mean, it was probably the size of this bag.
Yeah. Well, obviously it was, wasn't it? Because there's the laundry. It's back.
It's all clean.
Yeah. It was a lot of...
Yeah.
It was a lot of laundry though. It was quite a few
I
pieces.
rolled that sucker. I stuffed it.
Yeah.
I was like, I'm getting my $30.
Yeah, it's the first time we ever had laundry done on there. Yeah. But other than that,
Until next time.
Until next
America.
America.
Where did that come from? I don't even know.
Don't even know.
It's on a show.
Those last 2 drinks hit hard, guys. We gotta go to bed. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.